Hello guys, welcome back on another video. If you have watched the first two videos, this one is gonna be talking about solely about the legitimacy of the platform COTPS. Are they legitimate? Do they have any legal papers to operate? And I am gonna be taking you to some third-party website for us to do this investigation. I have done my homework and I am showing you these things so you can also do them at home to do your due diligence. Okay, you might be seeing a different number here. That is correct because yesterday I added 2,000 to my trading capital, and just in 3 days it has brought me this profit, which is mind-blowing. This thing has been killing it, guys. So none of these or none of my result should be the reason why you want to go pull your life-saving monies to invest into this platform. Please, you want to invest very wisely. Do your due diligence because investment, no matter small or big, it is risky. So we are going to be seeing their legitimacy and when they started operation and how things have been going. Another thing, you might be seeing a different color. That is because they upgraded their website yesterday and it is not looking bad. But remember, if you want a very user-friendly interface, then you must use the mobile version, the mobile application for Android users. For iPhoneers, there is no application yet. So for iPhoneers, you can use it on the web, on your mobile, which is fine. That interface will be more user-friendly than the PC version. So you can see that now I don't have any money in my transaction. All my money is back to my wallet balance plus my profit. Again, like you know, I started this thing with $1,000 and then I ran it for 3 days. The $1,000 brought me a profit of $100, and then I added $2,000 yesterday and now it's trading with $3,000. So within a day, I am sitting at this profit. So now I am going to run my trade. This is how you do it every 2 hours. Once your money leaves your transaction, it goes back to your wallet balance. You can do your clicks. Remember, like I said, for those who don't want to be doing this again and again every 2 hours, I am going to be providing you with a script that is going to automate your trading, okay? But what you must understand is for you to receive this script, you must have $500 and above on your trading asset, on your trading capital right here as your trading capital, and then I'm gonna send you that script. So this is how easy it is. Just click and then the system, the algorithm is going to connect you with like-minded people across the globe who are looking to buy lower to sell higher. So that is just all it is you need to know about arbitrage trading, okay? So I'm gonna repeat the same thing until my balance is $5 and below. So there we go, guys. So my USDT balance is now on 3, so I can trade with this money. So you can see that all my money is now in transaction. This money is currently working for me. And once the 2 hours elapses, it's going to be sent back to my wallet plus the profit. Remember, every 2 hours you get a profit of 0.30%, guys. So let's get into talking about the legitimacy of this platform. I'm going to be taking you to our home tab right here, from where we can access the About Us page. So you can see like-minded individuals across the globe. You can see their live trade and it is looking really good, guys. So I'm just gonna click on About Us. We're going to land on this page from where we can read more about COTPS, their regulations, their certificates, their licenses, and their regulatory bodies. If they are required to comply with any laws whatsoever. These things are very important. As investors, we want to know if a particular entity or platform you are investing in, if it is legitimate. These help to influence your investment decisions, your risk management, and your risk tolerance. So I'm going to be referring to some third-party websites to do this investigation. I have done mine. I have done my homework. I think you can do this at home. So you want to go through this real quick. When you scroll down, you're going to see their certificate, their licenses, and so on and so forth, guys. So I'm going to read this real quick for you, and then we're going to be visiting some third-party website. COTP is required to comply with many financial services and consumer protection laws. COTP is registered as a money service business with FinCEN. MSB registration number is this, which you can copy and take to some third-party websites to investigate if this is true, if they actually have a certification to operate business or not. So I'm just gonna copy this number and we are going to be going to our first third-party website. I have just searched for MSB registration and it is going to be the first option, MSB registrant search fincen.gov. The MSB registrant search webpage contains entities that have registered as money service businesses, MSBs. Okay, so this is in line with what they say they are and what laws they say they need to abide with. So I'm just gonna click open. So we are going to land on this page and what we just need to do is scroll at the bottom where it says we should enter our MSB registration number. Remember, I have copied that number from the About Us, which you can also do. You can copy this registration number and take to your MSB registrant search fincen.gov and you want to enter that number right here. I'm just gonna click and this is the number. I'm just gonna search for it. So as you can see, there is a company registered with that number and the name of the company legal name is Cryptos OTC Trading Platform Limited. You can go on and read their address, where they are located, and so on and so forth, guys. You can do these things at home. But remember, the inclusion of a business on the MSB registrant search webpage is not a recommendation, certification of legitimacy or endorsement of the business by any government policy. So this is to tell us that just because COTPS registration is included into the MSB registrant data, that doesn't guarantee any governmental legitimacy of a platform, okay? But however, it does show us that they have a certificate. Okay guys, but how long has COTPS been operating? Well, in my previous videos, I showed you a screenshot of someone who received payment. So this is a payment proof. This person received payment from COTPS in 2019, April 2019, April, May, and June 2019. And I'm going to be taking you to some third-party websites to justify this as well. Still on my home tab right here, I'm going to look for customer service. So you can see my conversation with customer services. It took just like 2 minutes for me to get a response. I was just doing my due diligence to make sure that the support is responsive because as investors, this is another key factor we are looking out for. So what I did is I requested please for the official web link which was sent to me. I'm just gonna copy this link and we're gonna be heading to some third-party website to determine how long this project has been operating. So I've already opened a new tab and I've searched domain tools. We are gonna be going in with Whois. So this is gonna be sharing with us domain ownership and the duration of time a particular domain has been existing and how long it's gonna be existing. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this. So you're gonna land on this page and because I have copied the official website of COTP which was sent to me by their customer service, I am just gonna go input it right here and then search. So there we go guys, it brings us this data, Whois record for COTPS.com, okay? So very important, you can go on and read this stuff guys, it is looking good, but where I wanna take you to, very important, is the date, okay? Now the date, it shows us the number of days COTPS website domain has been running, 1,104 days old. Now it was created on March 2019 and it expires on March 2028 guys. You can see their last updated on February 2002. So this website or this domain has been running for 1,104 days, created on March 2019, and it has a lifespan of March 2028 guys. Look at that. Now it was lastly updated this year 2022. So you can go on and read other information, but I think that's what is important to us guys. So this is in line with the screenshot I just shared with you of someone who received a payment from COTPS. Again, guys, I'm going to be taking you to another third-party website. It is called Wayback Machine, just as its name suggests. It is going to be taking us back to when a particular platform, entity, organization, or business started operation. It's going to be showing us the activities by showing us their screenshot and so on and so forth. So I'm going to take this first one. So you can see right here, exploit more than 667 billion web pages saved over time. So all we need to do is to enter the URL of COTPS, which I am just gonna go back, copy from here again, and then go back to Wayback Machine, and then enter the web link, and then search. So there we go, guys. You can see I have just searched the web page of COTPS inside Wayback Machine, and it is giving us this data. When you look very closely, you will see that they started operation in 2006, okay? But this could also mean that they were also doing other businesses and stuff like that, and then before they incorporated the crypto arbitration trading into their business and so on and so forth. So, but what I see on my record is they started operation since 2006, and then it started growing, and then when we come to 2019, the traffic on the site grew a bit rapid. You can see we have some screenshots. We have some screenshots starting from April, May, June, July. Do you know this is in line with what I shared with you earlier, the screenshot of someone who received payment in 2019, right? And then look at 2022. The traffic on the site has increased even rapidly. So what is it telling us? It is telling us one thing, that these guys have been in operation just like they claim they have, okay? You can do this at home. All you need is the web link to search inside Wayback Machine. So guys, I hope you're learning something so far in this video, and if you find it valuable, don't forget to leave a like. Again, all the links to set up your account step by step on COTPS is in the description and the top comment of this video. You can see this profit keeps on increasing every 2 hours. I have been hitting this thing, guys. It is looking so awesome. I want to give you 2 bonus websites where you can also visit for your due diligence. One of them which I love to use is HypeStat. First, I'm gonna go to home, and then I'm gonna copy the URL which was sent to me by the customer support. I am just gonna copy this, guys. So I'm just gonna enter that URL here, and then I click on search. So there we go, guys, COTPS.com. We have searched it. So when you scroll down, you are gonna learn a lot about this website, this platform, and what they offer. Okay, where I want to take you, the point of interest is traffic summary. Okay, I just want to show you daily unique visitors, 38.9 thousand daily unique visitors to the website, and you can also see the monthly visitors. Monthly unique visitors is at 1,226,000, and so on and so forth. When you scroll down, you are gonna see and learn a lot. You can also see traffic sources. Well, these tools are very handy when it comes to investing online, okay? And so I always use them to do my due diligence. Visitors by country, you can see Nigeria is topping number 2, and so on, guys. So that is it, guys. When you go down, a lot of other data that can help you to analyze and then influence your investment decision whether or not this COTPS is something for you. The last website I'm going to be taking you to, it is Trustpilot, okay? Trustpilot. Now on this website, you can get other people's reviews about a particular platform, about a particular website, okay? I am still with the URL which I copied here. I'm gonna also leave it in the description of this video. I'm gonna go to Trustpilot, and I'm going to paste that URL here, and then just search. So right here, you can see that COTPS.com, it's currently having 4 stars out of 5. That is great. Reviews 23. Again, out of these 23 reviews, you can see excellent rate is at a 70%. Great is at 17%. Okay. Now let's look at the negative percentage is just 13%. Okay. So that is not bad at all. When you scroll down, you're gonna be reading other people's reviews. Going to read these reviews. Good ones, bad ones. Again, we will always have these people among us, but I'm not saying they are wrong. I'm not also saying they are right, but you can read other people's reviews as you keep on going. So these things really help you to influence your investment decisions, your risk management, your risk tolerance as well. Okay, actually COTPS has two websites. I'm gonna be clicking on their official website. So this is practically the official website. You can read more about their technology, their services they offer, their team, and their insurance policy that covers this project. When you scroll down, actually for me, it is not the best interface when it comes to design, but it is what it is. It isn't looking that sexy. You can go on and read these things. You can scroll down, learn about their services. One of the things that makes it very concrete is their KYC ID verification, which they always do this to keep the platform safe for everyone, for every trader. Other introduction, you can go on and read these things, guys. Now, our team. Now, for me, practically, I know these are not the people behind this project. Again, this is very common with most of these platforms. They always present different faces, different names for reasons being best known to them. They don't want to reveal the right people or the real people behind the project. These are the people whom they are presenting to us as their team and as their CEO. But it is what it is, guys. I have been investing into so many other projects of the same category. The leaders and the team, they choose not to reveal themselves publicly, but things are working and have been working just fine. But again, remember, I'm not saying this to put your legs into COTPS. You want to follow these things I'm sharing with you, and then you decide if it's something for you. But hey, come on, the minimum to start is $10. So there you go, guys. We have seen for ourselves from the third-party website which we visited. We have compared the data with what they say they offer. So to me, practically, what I would say is this is a medium risk platform. So one good thing also about it is the flexibility of your funds, which you can pull it out at any time. So you see this fund sitting right here. If my 2 hours elapses and it gets back to my wallet balance, and then I choose not to continue with this platform, I can pull all my money at once and it is gonna hit my wallet within minutes. So the flexibility of funds makes it so awesome, okay? So anytime you become emotional, you can take out your funds and leave the platform. So to me, it is a medium risk investment platform. All you need is just investment principles, which is number one, only invest money you can afford to lose. Number two, get in early, be able to break even, pull out your main capital and start playing with house money. Just imagine you are earning 3.3 to 3.6% daily. So in a month, you will be at like 108% return of your investment. So you must have had your money out, and whatever is left here, it is just house money. So check the links in the description and the top comment of this video. Get started. Wanna also join my Telegram group should you have any concern. I hope to see you around soon. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.